What's the meaning of consume? Consume. Consume.
Consume. Consume. The term consume typically refers to the act of using up or depleting a resource, often in the context of food, drink, or other material goods. When something is consumed, it is transformed or taken into the body, and may be used for energy, growth, or other bodily processes. The result of consumption can vary depending on the context, but may include satiety, satisfaction, and nourishment, as well as waste products or byproducts that are eliminated from the body. Overall, consumption plays a significant role in meeting our basic needs and sustaining life.